Here's how to get started with CodeBlocks. So when you start up CodeBlocks, you're presented with this screen. You have a workspace in the left here where you can hold projects. And there's a number of different types of projects you could make. We are going to stick to what's called a console application. This is basically a text-based program equivalent to what we're used to in, say, BlueJ. And there's a wizard here to guide you through the steps and the options. There are a lot of options, but we don't have to change any of them. We're going to leave this on C++. We're going to choose a title. And then we have to choose where we're going to save it. So you would save it in your ICS3 folder under the right section for today. And I'll just make a temporary folder so I can demonstrate it. Okay, so we have a name, we've got a project file, we have a folder. You don't need to change any of these options. So on the side here, you're going to see your project, and in your main.cpp, you can see your hello world program. And so if you wanted to run this, you could click start continue, or build and run. Probably you're going to press F9. And down here you can see the console, and you'll see a window pop up with your output. This is the console, and this is the output of the program. It says press any key to continue. When you press any key, it's going to disappear, and then you can continue making changes to your program. And you can press F9 again, and you'll see the change made to your program. Now, a lot of you will try to just open a single CPP file using file open. That is not quite going to do what you think it's going to do. In order to run C++ programs, you're going to have a project. So don't try to open the file outside of the project, okay? If you want to open the project, say you've closed it, and you want to go back to it, what you want to click on is the CBP file, which is a project file, equivalent to the greenfoot.project, for example, and that will open all your files, because you could have multiple CPP files here, for example. So there's a lot of options in this program. We're going to ignore 99% of them and just stick to editing the main function.